Tommy. Hi, how are you? Well, we're here again and we're gonna read some books together. I changed the angle a little bit. We still have the woods behind us, the big trees, and we still have the owl somewhere. Remember? We read the story about the owl and he hooted for us a little bit. Right now, we're gonna read two different books. We're gonna read this one, Early Bird, and we're gonna read this one, I Miss You, Mouse. So let's get started and read. There it is. Can you hear that? That's the owl. Oh, I hope you can hear that. My little owl. All right, well, let's get started with this book right now. Early Bird. What do you think this one's about? Well, let's find out. Early Bird likes to wake up early. Well, I guess that's why he's called an early bird, right? She stands as tall as she can. Takes a big, deep breath of fresh morning air. Take a big, deep breath, Tommy. And then Early Bird gets going, just like you do in the morning when you've got to get to school. Across the grass, the early bird goes, through the flowers, under the spider web. She's not getting too close to the spider, is she? Up the path, across the corner, and over the cat. That little bird's not going to get too close to that cat. That cat has an eye on that bird. Cats like to catch birds, so they're watching each other. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden, where she finds, what does she find? The early worm. So the early bird gets the worm, right? Let's see. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. Well, that was nice of the bird because birds usually eat the worm. But this little bird put the worm on top of a strawberry. And together they share an early breakfast. Well, isn't that nice, Tommy? They're eating the strawberry together. That's so nice. That's very nice. They're treating each other really as like good friends, right? They're good friends. And here they are. They're both singing. There's the early bird singing. And look, even the little worm is singing. They're so happy because they're friends. And that's the end of that book. But you know what? We still have a little bit of time. So let's read the other one. I'm going to reach right down here and get the next one. The I Miss You, Mouse. I wonder what this one's about. Okay, let's find out. This looks interesting. One day, a little mouse found a note from her friend Bear. Mouse thought of something, then she went to find him. It says, I miss you, Mouse. Mouse looked in the tree. Is Bear up there? She asked. I've got something very important to tell him. All right, let's look and see if Bear is up in the tree. Nope, not up here, said Monkey. Mouse looked over the hills. Is Bear down there? She asked. I've got something very important to tell him. Let's see, is Bear down there? Not down here, said Groundhog. Mouse went through the tall grass. Has Bear been here? She asked. There's the little mouse. Let's see if Bear is in the grass. Nope, not through here, said Bunny. Mouse checked behind the rocks. Is Bear back there? She asked. Do you think Bear's back there behind the rock? Do you think? Should we check? Let's look. It says, not back here, said Elephant. Boy, Elephant was hiding behind the big rock. That must have been a big rock. Mouse looked in a pile of leaves. Is Bear under here? She asked. Not under here, said Fox. Mouse went to the pond. Is Bear around here? She asked. I saw Bear in the strawberry patch, said Turtle. We better go to the strawberry patch. Mouse hurried to the strawberry patch. Is Bear in there? She asked. I've got something very important to tell him. It's only me, said Owl. Mouse went home. She was so disappointed until... Bear, she said, I've got something very important to tell you. Well, what is it? Asked Bear. I miss you too. And there's some strawberries. The end. All done with the I miss you, Mouse. And Tommy, I miss you. I so wish I could give you a great big bear hug right now. And that's what I want to do. I don't want to find a bear. I just want to give you a bear hug. Because I love you so much and I miss you so much. I love you. Mwah. Give Mama a big hug and a kiss for me, okay? And give Daddy a big hug and a kiss too. All right. I'm going to see you soon. I love you. Bye.